Hello friends, hope you all are doing good, and I am here with a new video in which I will show you how to replace a rechargeable trimmer battery. Yes, this is a Philips trimmer and its model number is QT4000. So I'm using this trimmer from last 2+ years maybe, but this trimmer the batteries got dead now. So I will replace the battery inside it, and yeah, obviously that is a rechargeable battery, and uh, it got damaged because I have used some other charger, not the preferred charger, so that's why it got affected. Otherwise it was working fine previously. So first of all, I will remove this part, the trimmer blade. So it's very easy to remove trimmer blade, as you could see in the user manual also. Now I need to remove this part. This is the first time I am opening this type of trimmer, I mean the Philips trimmer. So I don't know where the screws or like attachments are there. I think there is no screws inside this trimmer. Let me just check it out. I'm using a sharp knife to open it up, but I need to be very careful while opening it with the help of any sharp tools. But you could use the laptop opening tools. It is having some plastic kind of things to open these type of things, because that tool will not damage the edge. As you could see, the sharp tools is damaging the edge of the trimmer. Uh, so better to use the plastic tools for opening this type of things. And I'm noticing that I think it has been glued up. That's why it is taking. I'm feeling some difficulty to open it up. I'm not sure whether it will be broken or it will be remain okay in okay condition. Okay, finally this part got opened. Now the another side, the same thing. I will just fast forward this part to save the time. Anyway. Okay, it's done. So it's really like complicated type of plastic chassis. You could see to reinforce this plastic chassis, they have given several internal attachment of plastic internally. So all the supports are provided beneath the plastic chassis. Okay, so let's focus on the main part. Anyway, I will just clean it up. It is having some garbage inside it. So this is the adjustment part. You could see it's a pretty impressive how how the technology they are implementing inside a small trimmer. See how this plastic adjustment is moving up and down. So with the help of this, the trimmer comb is getting adjusted so that you can fix the size for trimming. So now I will take out the battery without any delay. And I think I need to take help from this knife to take it out. It is having some clip type of mechanism. Okay, it came out very easily. So I need to be very careful at this point of time, because taking out the battery from the place may damage some connection, wired connection, which is soldered to some elements and the battery. So I need to take out. Okay, so it came out. It is having sufficient amount of wire between the battery and the connection where the battery is getting connected to. So I will just take out this battery from the place and replace it with a new battery. So in the meanwhile, I'm planning to do something else, like I will use a regular battery instead of this rechargeable battery, just for checking out what will happen if I will use a regular battery. So anyway, this battery is having more power than the regular battery. but we will try it. Let's experiment. So this is the connection. The connection looks very tight. It looks like it has been punched to the battery terminal, and it won't come out even if I will use the soldering iron. Actually, the wire is soldered to a small metallic strip, and that metallic strip is punched on the battery terminal. So I need to take it out with that metallic strip. I don't want to cut the wire. I don't want to cut the wire leaving those metallic strip. And in the meanwhile, let's check the status of the battery using multimeter. So let's check the output of the battery, output voltage of the battery. So as you could see, it is giving 0.09 volts, which depicts that battery is completely dead. As I kept it on charging for a few hours, but it didn't get charged. So this is pretty useless battery now. So now I will connect a regular pencil battery, what we are using in day-to-day life, which is not a rechargeable battery. So this is the battery, everyday battery. You all know, I think uh, everyone have used or purchased this type of battery in their lifetime, definitely. So this is a general purpose battery. It is having 1.5 volt output. Single battery is giving 1.5 volt of output. So now I will check the battery voltage, how much voltage it is giving. As I told you, it will give 1.5 volt. So we will confirm this. Okay, as you could see, it is giving 1.7071 volt. And now let's check the trimmer battery. So it is having an output of 1.2 volt and it is of 750 mAh. So this battery efficiency is very high if you are comparing it with a regular battery. So I'm trying to use my soldering iron to desolder these metallic strip. I don't want to cut the wire leaving those metallic strip, as it will give a proper connection while I will do soldering to another battery. It will help me in soldering also. So this is not working. I need to try some other method. So I will try to remove it using knife. So let me just try it out whether it is okay. Yeah, it is coming out. And this is definitely not soldered. This is something like punched with the machine type of thing. I think this is factory built things. Okay, but it came out with the knife very easily. It was like glued up with the terminals. So I have just pulled it out with the help of knife. And now time to fix this battery to check it whether it supports the trimmer functionality or not. So I'm just holding it with my hand and I will just switch on the trimmer. Okay, it's rotating, but the speed is not enough. Anyway, I will fix this battery with the trimmer and then I will come to some conclusion whether it is working with this trimmer or not. So preparing the terminal properly so that it will get soldered in a proper manner. So time to solder this battery with the terminals, and I will just fast forward this part to save the time. So I have fast forwarded this video. Actually, it took a long time to solder this battery with the trimmer because the battery terminal was so smooth that it was not getting soldered with the wire properly. So later on, I have rubbed the battery terminal with some, like I have made the scratches on the battery terminal so that at least it will have some uh, rough surface so that the soldering paste, soldering element should get stuck to that surface. So that's why this part took a long time and lot of patience. Without patience, you can't achieve anything. So this is the negative terminal which I'm going to solder. So soldering the negative part is not that tough. Little bit more. It got desoldered. So little bit more soldering element and it's done. So now the battery has been soldered to the trimmer wires. Let me just check it out. So it is working fine, but the speed, I think speed is very less. This battery output is not good. That's why it is not giving like a proper performance. The trimmer performance got decreased. Anyway, I will just fix it and I will try to fix the blade. Then I will check how efficiently the trimmer is working with the help of this battery. So I'm just fixing it out, taking care of all the wires. So I need to place everything on the proper position. And if I will damage the wire, so I need to cut it off, and cutting the wire will make it shorter, which will make my work difficult. So that's why I need to take care of this thing. Anyway, it's done. Okay, now let me just switch it on. So motor is rotating, but the speed is not proper, as I told you previously. I will just fix the upper chassis and then I will check it out. Let's do this job quickly. Okay, let me just try to fix the blade directly without fixing the upper chassis. It got fixed. So it is switched on now. So what I feel, the battery is discharging if I am keeping it on, if I'm keeping it switched on for a long time. So this battery definitely is not going to support the trimmer. So this is just for experiment. Anyone can know that this general purpose battery will not support this trimmer. So I need to get the rechargeable battery which should have some efficiency to store the charge, because this default battery was having 750 mAh of charge storage capacity, means the backup capacity. I'm just fixing the chassis to check it out properly. Uh, so I will just fast forward this part. So I have fast forwarded it and it's done. Okay, so everything is done. Oh, it got switched on. So everything is done. Let me just check the adjustment part, whether it is working or not. Okay, so this part is working properly. Let me just switch it on. Okay, it is working. No, 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 it's not working. Battery is getting discharged. Very quickly the battery is getting drained up. So this battery definitely not going to work with this trimmer. So later I have replaced it with another rechargeable battery, and this battery is having 1.2 volt of output with 600 milliampere hour of charge storage capacity. So this part I have just removed from the video. I didn't prepare the video for this part. This is the battery. You could see the ratings in this. This is AAA battery. And you could see the rating. It's having 600 mAh and output is 2.1 volt. And the another battery I have fixed in the trimmer. So these battery I have purchased in, these batteries cost me 170 rupees. Actually it comes in the set of two, that's why I need to purchase both of the battery. So it cost me 170 rupees. And later on I have fixed the one battery inside the trimmer and it is working very efficiently, as you could see in the video. So I have just switched it on and you could listen the sound. You will feel the difference as I was running this trimmer previously from the regular battery and this battery. You will feel a difference in the sound. So as you could see, it is rotating in a proper speed. So this battery is working perfectly with the trimmer. Anyway, this is having 150 mAh less than the previous battery which trimmer was having as a default battery. So anyway, I have fixed the chassis, and this is the final test with this battery. Okay, let me just switch it on, and you could see this is working nicely with this battery, and you could compare the sound. So I'm just opening up the blade, and I will just switch it on without blade. You can compare the speed of the motor, how efficiently it is rotating now. So that's it. I will just fix up the blade. So this battery is very nice as compared to the regular battery, and like this you can replace the battery of a trimmer. So that's it for today. If you think that this video helped you, or by seeing this video you have repaired your trimmer, so please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel for the latest update. And do press the bell icon to get quick notification. And if you have any recommendation, you could comment in the comment section below. So I will try to implement it in my upcoming videos. So till then, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.